What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to get the barn in Value 1. So what we need to do is go to the real estate office, make sure it is opened and that it is not too early or too late, and after that you can go to the boards and there you will see the property for sale board. So what we will do is basically purchase the barn, which is 25k, and after that we can also buy the dogs warehouse and the bungalow for other prices. So first we will buy the barn for now, and we will talk to Ray, and we would like to purchase a property. So select that. After that you can select the barn, and as you can see it will cost 25k. So accept that. After that you have bought the property, and now you can find the property right over here if you go to this remote location, and here you will find the barn. You can open the barn. In this barn will be light switches, so you can turn on the light around this building, and after that you can also go upstairs. There you will find another switch, you can turn on the lights over here. So this building will be a lot bigger than the bungalow you have seen, and as you can see we've got plenty of space to plant our plants or maybe something else. There are also water sources outside and also one inside if you need them. And of course the staircase upstairs, and there you will find a bed and a storage rack. So that is basically the barn and how you can buy it. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would like to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!